Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm super excited for today's episode. Today, we are diving into a fantastic word, birth. Birth is an A2 level noun meaning the act of being born. It's a really common word, and you'll hear it all the time, so it's important to understand. Birth refers to the moment when a baby comes out of its mother's body. Think of it as the start of a new life. For example, the date of my birth is June 10th, or the doctor assisted with the birth. Now, let's look at some words that are similar to birth. We have the word beginning, as in the beginning of the project was a bit slow. We can also use inception, for example, the inception of the company was a small idea that grew big. Another synonym could be commencement, such as the commencement of the school year is in September. These are all words that represent a start just like birth. On the flip side, let's consider words that have the opposite meaning of birth. We have death, as in his death was a tragedy for everyone, or the word end, as in the end of the movie was unexpected. Another antonym could be termination, such as the termination of the contract left him without a job. These all describe the conclusion of life or of a process, which is opposite to birth. In everyday life, you might hear sentences like, I celebrated my friend's birthday last week, or he was given as a birth gift a new teddy bear. You'll also hear expressions like, she has a birthmark on her arm, or what year was your birth? These are all everyday situations where the word birth is used. Here are some usage examples. The hospital celebrated the birth of 100 babies this month, or her birth was a joyous occasion for the family. We could also say, the city has historical records of many important births, or he remembers the exact time of his son's birth. I hope you've learned a lot about the word birth today. To recap, birth is a noun referring to the act of being born. Some synonyms are beginning, inception, and commencement, and antonyms include death, end, and termination. Thank you all for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please remember to subscribe to the podcast and please leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. We truly appreciate it. And now, here's a challenge for you. Create your own sentence about birth and share it in the comments under the video. We can't wait to see your creativity. See you in the next episode of Hello Word.